Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes a $3,000 workstation from 2 years ago look like a calculator. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was the budget Mac. The one you bought because you couldn't afford a Mac Pro or a Studio. But something changed in the design labs at Apple Park. In 2024, they shrank the chassis to a tiny 5 by 5 inch square, but in 2026, they are doing something much more radical. They are giving it the M5 brain. As we sit here in March 2026, the leaks are no longer just guesses. They are a warning to the entire PC industry. The Mac Mini M5 is coming, and it isn't just a minor spec bump. We are talking about a 3nm enhanced architecture, a GPU that finally brings real-time ray tracing to the masses, and a focus on localized AI that changes the way we interact with macOS forever. If you are a video editor, a developer, or just someone tired of bulky towers, listen closely. Because the Mac Mini M5 is about to become the most important computer Apple has ever made. Do not buy a Mac today. Do not even look at the refurbished section, because the M5 is about to redefine the Value King title forever. This is the ultimate deep dive into the Mac Mini M5. To understand why the M5 matters, you have to look at the Silicon War of 2026. Microsoft and Qualcomm have pushed Copilot Plus PCs to the limit, and for the first time in years, Apple felt the heat. The response: the M5 chip. While the M4 was a bridge, the M5 is the destination. Apple's 2026 roadmap centers around one thing: Apple Intelligence 2.0. To run a localized large language model, LLM, on your desktop without lagging, you need massive bandwidth and specialized cores. The Mac Mini M5 is the entry point for this new era. It's the device Apple wants on every desk in America, from university dorms to high-end editing suites. Let's get into the technical guts. The M5 chip is built on TSMC's refined 3nm process, often called N3P. While the world waited for 2 nanometers, Apple realized they could extract pro-level performance from N3P by redesigning the transistor layout. The base M5 features a 10-core CPU, 4 super cores for heavy lifting and 6 efficiency cores for background tasks. But the real headline is the 15% jump in single-core performance. In a market like the US where snappiness is everything, this means every click, every app launch, and every scroll feels like it's happening before you even touch the mouse. Then there's the M5 Pro. This is where things get scary for the competition. We're expecting up to a 16-core CPU and a 20-core GPU. The M5 Pro isn't just for spreadsheets. It's designed for 8K ProRes video pipelines. Rumors suggest the M5 Pro will feature Fusion architecture, allowing the chip to access unified memory at a staggering 307 GB per second. That is faster than most dedicated gaming GPUs. If you're a professional in NYC or Austin, this is the power of a Mac Studio in a box that fits in your backpack. For years, Apple was criticized for the 8 GB trap. In 2026, that era is officially dead. Following the trend set by the MacBook Pro launched earlier this month, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to